Imagine you're working on an application with two threads, a UI thread and the compute thread. The problem you're facing is related to sharing a vector of buffers of type T between these two threads. Since most of the time involves reading from the vector, you decided to use an ArcSwap for synchronization. However, when attempting to create an ArcSwap with ArcT, the Rust compiler throws an error stating that T doesn't implement sized. This limitation makes sense due to the nature of slices, but it leaves you to wonder why it's a compile error. Now, let's delve into the solution. In order for ArcSwapT to function properly, it needs to be able to swap T atomically. Swapping a single pointer atomically is feasible, but ArcT requires two pointers, which lacks a standard cross-platform atomic implementation. The easiest way to achieve the desired memory layout would be to use ArcSwapT. Additionally, being a size type means that the size of the type is known at compile time. Arrays will always have a known size at compile time, whereas slices do not. In summary, the crux of the problem lies in the inability to swap the two pointers wide ArcT atomically. The recommended solution involves using ArcSwapT to overcome this limitation. Remember, dear viewer, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below. Stay curious and happy coding.